So we're going through here. Watch out. There you go. Planned the ride. Moved it around a little bit. That was a smart rider. Good job. Good job. Recommended view. Okay. Interesting. Whoa, went a little wide. Found escape paths. Get back in your lane. You got to do what you got to do. Just got to do what you got to do. What you should do is not go so fast through a turn. All right, we're on a track. We're going to low side it. Yeah. This is why we do it on a track. This is why we do it on a track. Look how bad of an impact that was. Huge impact. But we have EMTs possibly on scene. We have people that can help on scene. You're not in the middle of a mountain with no reception and a cliff flying off the side and your buddies just keep going. We are on scene with a bunch of people that will help and can help. That's why you do it on a track. All right, Naruto man, here we go. Look, the road looks kind of smooth. Hopefully there's nothing bad happening. All right, person just merged over. Good job with planning your ride. Vlad, Motovlog. Terrible line of sight, not a position I'd like to be in. Watch out for this truck wanting to merge into our lane. And there it is. That van or that bus got into their lane and they want to come into our lane. It's very typical that people don't want to be behind big vehicles like that. So here we go. Kent, Scanlon. We got pedestrian crossing coming up ahead. Hopefully no pedestrians come out when we're trying to go close to it. Let's see. Oh, yep. Pedestrians are coming out and we panic broke and crashed right there. So that's not something we want to do. He's hopefully okay. I think I've seen this one before, and this was actually sent in, and they said they were. Just terrible situation with the panic braking because there's pedestrians. It's a pedestrian crossing. That's why you look at signage. We talk about that in the first unit of our Smart Rider Basic Training E-course, situational awareness training. We're talking about signage and everything.
He's got to work for us.
I know he does, but he's only a child, and that's what I thought when I saw him moving. I thought he was making me
That's a real, you know, it doesn't matter. She gets to choose what she wants to do. It's your job to not crash into somebody. So Freedom Moto lost his phone. Ooh, got a little clippage. Got a little clippage. Not a good thing to do. You don't want to be going in that situation. Just kind of relax. Riding when you're rushed and trying to get somewhere before anybody else is just kind of a recipe for disaster. I don't like riding rushed. Ferris Cro-Magnon on the phone, but wait, there's more. What more? It's hard to see here, but look at the right of the dump truck. We'll see a glimpse of white car pulling out in the wrong time and I blah, blah, blah. All right, you saw that? Side of the vehicle. We crossed. Oh, impact right there. Great job with the red stage maneuver. Extremely good job. Now go back to that. So I don't care about the phone thing. So right here, let's take a quick look. He's going to do his own after action review. So it's hard to see here, but look to the right of the dump truck. You will see a white vehicle. So we're going to look like right here. Okay, we're going to look right there. And you're going to see the white car pull out. Look at the white car. Here we go. White car. There it goes. It just disappeared just a little bit. White car right to the right of the dump truck. That's that side of the vehicle. So here's what we're doing. We're going to be passing this dump truck. And we see that uncommon thing in a common situation. So now we are definitely recognizing that this is an orange stage situation. We went through an intersection anyways. We should be in orange stage. But now it's in our path to travel. Oh, crap. So what is it that we do when it comes to planning? We're positioning for safety, locating hazards. Can we just adapt? Probably not. We're going to have to accelerate and swerve. We got to get ourselves out of here or brake. Get ourselves out of here. So this is now turning into a red stage maneuver. He could panic and just panic brake, but didn't do that. He did a nice swerve. Got himself through that situation. Now let's take a look. See if they actually hit. Oh, they're just touching tips. That's fine. Moving on. All right, going a little fast through the corners. Okay, this is a bunch of little corners that you can see. You can go off that cliff. Ooh, sharper corner. Couldn't anticipate that one. Thought there were just going to be a bunch of little itty bitty baby ones. Nope. So this right here is going to be a situation where having a Bluetooth system is very important so you can talk to each other. But that was insanely dumb. Blue DMV rider. Okay, intercept. Oh, watch out for this guy. You're in the blind spot. To To the right. There we go. Good job planning their ride. Good job planning their ride. Very good. Very good. Very good. So PW Motovlog. Oh, look at the kid, but now you're not watching up in front. Find the escape. Find the escape. Hey, that could have been a lot worse. That could have been a lot worse, but this is... Got to be doing some good progressive brake pressure. That brake pressure was not good. We need to be squeezing. You guys, one sec, pause. You guys hear and see, like, the common denominator in a lot of these things is that we're going too fast. We don't know how to brake, and we don't know how to corner. Those three things. We don't know how to brake, we don't know how to corner, and we go too fast. Let's just practice those things. Let's practice not going so fast. Let's practice our braking, and let's practice our cornering. Let's work on that. For today and this weekend, let's work on that, okay? Oh my gosh. Just relax. Can't see anything, but that means he can't see anything. And then we got some issues here. Oh, no. So are we planning our ride here? Let's see. Slowing it down. Put our foot down a little bit, huh? Careful. Don't low side. Oh, our buddy did low side. Are you going to be able to rescue this rider? Get your kid out just in case they're bleeding. You need to stop any major bleeds. But if he's fine, great. But make sure you check for head injury, spinal cord, or any type of shocky symptoms, okay?
You good?
So he's walking. That's good. Blood pressure, that means blood pressure's good. His heart is actually moving. Fluids. Oops, didn't mean to hit that. He's got air going through his system. Musculoskeletal system seems to be good because he would be limping or having some kind of issue. So that's a pretty good one. Tito 93. It's a boat. It's a big boat. Oh, what? His head fell off. Yeah, well, things happen. Motoboxy going through here. See inside of the vehicle. We talk about that all the time. Anticipated it, right? As an intersection, right? So we should have been in what? Orange stage. Yeah, 1 second distraction is all it takes. Oh, this looks like a fun place to mess around in with like some off-road vehicles. Oh, no. Just lost a little traction, fell over. Not a big deal. Now, if you didn't have reception, you got injured, and you had no way to help yourself, that would have been a terrible position to be in. Terrible. Once if you had like a broken leg and you're bleeding out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Uh-oh, what's happening here? We got dash cam from front and rear. We are...
Biker almost got hit by a van. Jesus Christ, traffic tonight, darling. Pray for me.
Traffic tonight, darling. I used the GPS on my phone with my Rockford mount for the same exact reason. Found the escape, found the escape, found the escape! He found the escape path. Good job. Good job.